This is a significant sentence. Ms. Walker will now be serving a jail sentence in the community. And this sentence really sends a message that the courts will not stand by and have people who are displeased or unhappy with how family law proceedings are going abscond with their children and take the law into their own hands. It is important for people to understand that abusing positions of trust and not going through the proper legal proceedings cannot be condoned and will not be condoned.
There was on top of the conditional sentence order, part of it involves community service. There was no mention of recovering the funds spent on the search. Is there any plans to try to recover those funds?
From the Crown's perspective, of course, it's heartening that so many people were concerned about Ms. Walker and her child, and it really shows how the people of Saskatchewan can come together in times such as this. In terms of the amount that was put together, that is not for the Crown at this time to determine. The community service hours are significant and provides a way for Ms. Walker to give back to the community who really rallied around what they believed to be a missing and murdered Indigenous woman and ensured that the search continued tirelessly for her and for her child.
Ms. Walker took matters into her own hands because she was ill-served by the system. And in fact, she's not leaving the court in handcuffs. She's not going to jail. I understand it's in the community, but there's a feeling out there that this woman was abused by the system. And are you concerned that will be the takeaway, I guess?
It shouldn't be the takeaway. As I made clear in our submissions, at no point in time has the Crown agreed in any way that Ms. Walker was a victim from her former spouse or that her child was in any danger. I think the takeaway here by her guilty plea is an acknowledgement by her that she did not have a legal defense to these claims or to these allegations because of any perceived threat that she thought existed. So while she has her own beliefs about what has happened and what has not happened, those are her beliefs, and only those who really are truly involved in that aspect know what happened. And these matters were fully investigated by several different agencies and did not result in charges. It's important that police services and the Ministry of Social Services be allowed to investigate matters fully and make determinations as to whether or not charges or any action is taken.